Your team spends hours every day searching for documents. Contracts buried in email. Policies scattered across SharePoint. Critical information trapped in network drives.
Tools like Microsoft Copilot promise AI-powered search. But there's a catch: they access too much information, or you have to upload files one by one to leverage the AI. For enterprises with sensitive data, that's a deal breaker. Compliance violations. Security risks. Legal exposure. Here's the difference: traditional AI tools move your documents to the AI. Natearo brings the AI to your documents. Your files stay exactly where they are: SharePoint, Google Drive, network drives. Only the files that you want to use are synced to your Snowflake data cloud. Your security intact. Your compliance requirements met. Your existing permissions preserved. Ask questions in plain English. Get instant answers from thousands of documents across all your systems, while your IT team sleeps soundly knowing nothing left your secure environment. Stop choosing between AI innovation and data security. Get both.